Hello partners, a very warm welcome from Adobe. Hope this day finds you all in best of health and spirits. A big thanks to Ingram also for putting an event which brings all of us together. My name is Tapan and I run the partner business at Adobe in India for our digital media business. Over the next few minutes, we'll walk you through typical questions from partners around why Adobe, what's so cool about Adobe products for my customers, and what's in it for me. Let's dive straight in. At Adobe, our mission has been to change the world through digital experiences. Through our products, users transform the way they work, learn, play, and do business with, unleashing the power of digital experiences. Just think about it. From the moment you get up in the morning to the time you go to bed at night, the media you consume, the apps you interact with, the advertisements you see throughout the day, the websites you go to browse, to work, interact with others, shop, chances are each and every one of them have been touched by the power of Adobe technologies. Adobe is a company which is fortunate enough to find itself at macro trends. It's a golden age of design and creativity. More content is being created, right from individuals to large corporations than ever was before. There is a huge reliance underpinning of technology, which is helping bring in this wave of automation, not just from creativity processes, but also from business processes like transferring from paper to digital, right? And bringing more accuracy and more agility in businesses. Mobility seems to be the new de facto tool that people are working from anywhere and they're working. And Adobe completely adopts that through a cloud model and ensuring that we support each and every form factor that our customers rely on. All this at a time when there are rising awareness and concerns, rightly, about privacy and security, to ensure that yes, we build trust and it becomes almost like a mandate. So Adobe addresses these requirements and concerns of our users and expectations through our three clouds, which is the Creative Cloud, the Document Cloud, and the Experience Cloud. The Creative Cloud provides all the tools and products and services that are required by creative users. The Document Cloud helps in completely automating and transforming the productivity of document processes. And the Digital Experience Cloud allows our corporate customers to connect with their customers in real time, give them a personalized experience, and ensure they have e-commerce flowing through them. Helping us achieve all this, given our deep reliance on technology innovation, is our stack of machine learning and artificial intelligence, which helps us create the content and also manage it with a lot of intelligence level, both to create the experience for our users, as well as make sure that our creative tools and services are absolutely at the cutting edge, and the content that we keep creating and help our users create is able to not just help the user make better and better content and designs and creativity, but also ensure they complement them just like a invisible assistant. So they minimize the repetitive tasks and get on with what they're doing best. Talking about Adobe, we're a 37-year-old company. Our founder started the company by building a technology which is PostScript, which basically put text and images to paper, and that actually unleashed the desktop publishing revolution. We clocked $11 billion last year and last fiscal. We have about 20,000 plus employees across the globe, and Adobe believes in being a very responsible member of the society, giving back to our communities, and also ensuring we are equally responsible for our environment. To the extent 70% of our employees today work from LEED certified buildings, which are classified green building. And our deep belief in driving innovation is attested by the fact that Adobe holds more than 5,000 patents to its name today. The Adobe strategy has remained unchanged. The whole premise behind powering digital businesses, accelerating document productivity, and helping our users unleash their creativity. So a pause. Everything is going well, and suddenly we get hit by this game-changing, time-changing pandemic, right? It causes for a pause. I don't think any one of us had experienced something like this before. It would not be, overhyped to say that it's a once-in-a-lifetime event. Hopefully it will be, right? But it brought in changes that none of us were really prepared for. So where we were used to working collaboratively with our colleagues, with our workplace and all, suddenly we were made to make this transition from a workplace to home, and the lines blurred. which also meant that yes, it is not going to be easy to do that change. Work lines start getting fractured and all. We need to collaborate more. We need the right kind of tools. Again, Adobe seems to provide all the right pieces which have helped our users make the transition. And at a poll that we just ran some time back, most of our users said that while the workforces were very little of them, maybe 10%, 15% would ever work from home. This is obviously currently in the current scheme of things is more than 50%. But most interestingly, they don't see this changing dramatically going forward. So once we come out, at least for next year or so, they are expecting that at least anywhere between 20-25% of people will work from home, because obviously it's a more comfortable way. People figure out it's not so difficult, and they are able to be much more productive and do high quality work. So let's quickly see what Adobe provides to your customers from our Creative Cloud products, which helps them do their best work and obviously allows them to unleash the creativity, so to speak, right? So it's a complete suite of Creative Cloud tools, the libraries, documents. They can do reviews, obviously the complete fonts there, full library, more than ever people can think of, the colors, projects, everything designed in such a way that people not just create but are able to exchange within our applications with each other. There's a marketplace available. There's a community available. We call it Behance, where people can go, the users can go, be members to it. They can exchange, show their best work and all. And obviously, make sure that, yes, they are in a position which is able to give them value and the users value. So with that, let's quickly get into a customer study, a customer video, which shows how a company called Lush has been able to use Adobe Creative Technologies, our Team Suite, so that they are able to collaborate better in the given time.
Adobe Creative Cloud for Teams presents Tales of Scale, how Lush's inventive retail experience scales their business. Lush, the inventor, manufacturer, and retailer of cosmetics, wanted to improve the way customers discover products in store. They looked at their handwritten blackboards and artworks and decided to explore how integrating technologies could enhance the shopping experience. What about a flip dot display? Then they could update whenever necessary, print-free. The team imagined how they could implement the new display. Their famous bath bombs seemed like a great place to add some fizz. They got crafting right away. Designs made in Adobe Illustrator, seamless interaction between team members with Creative Cloud libraries, and brought to life by animations built in Adobe After Effects. The new display was rolled out for people to indulge in at their latest flagship store, and soon around the world. The results? Faster time to market with new content, reduced carbon footprint, and an even more luscious retail experience. Unlock your business's full potential with Adobe Creative Cloud for Teams.
Let's now jump into Document Cloud. Okay, all about how do we increase the productivity around dealing with documents, paper to digital transition, need of the hour. How can we help our customers get there? And not just across the standard format, but across any form factor, using mobile apps, web services, scan, anything on the go. So it doesn't matter where you do it. It's absolutely rendered with complete fidelity, no loss of fidelity, and irrespective of whether it's local or across borders. So how does Document Cloud assist our customer and enterprises? Obviously, across functions of sales, goes without saying. Almost for every commercial transaction, there has to be an agreement, a contract, and that's what is required. And invariably, whether agreement, invoice, whatever it is, whether it's there, whether it's in HR, whether it's in procurement, legal, documentation underlies all these processes. And that's really where Adobe Document Cloud really automates it with accuracy, with security, and with compliance to all possible standards you can think of, right? Completely frictionless, works from whatever system you're using, integrates with all of the most popular apps, whether it's from Microsoft, Google, or others, whatever. Microsoft is obviously the preferred choice of most of our customers, and one place where I think most of our partners also deal with, right? And using both of them together, Microsoft applications with Adobe Document Cloud, Acrobat, Sign, the users have seen tremendous improvement in the ROI and their productivity rates. Obviously, all of this goes into cost reduction of the processes, and obviously into underlying bottom line and profitability. but far more importantly, the sheer satisfaction of getting their work done much faster with much more accuracy. So let's quickly take a look at how Adobe and Microsoft, equally leaders and gold standard in their respective areas, are complementing each other and what is the differentiated value we bring better together.
The powers of Adobe Acrobat and Microsoft Office 365 have combined to provide you with a new standard in document management. With a simple click, you can now create and manage PDF documents all from within your Office 365 applications. Organize pages, export PDFs, and combine files in SharePoint and OneDrive. Create and combine PDF documents faster than ever. Even use Adobe Acrobat to convert Word, Excel, and PowerPoint projects into easily shareable files. If you're a current user of both Acrobat and Office 365, then the Adobe integration feature is already available to you. Just contact your IT administrator. Everything you need, now in one place. Adobe Acrobat integration with Office 365. Contact your IT administrator to get it today.
So, coming back to how to leverage the integrated solutions from Microsoft and Adobe, all the tools for creation, whether it's Word, Excel, PowerPoint, for documentation and all, obviously, if it's that from Microsoft, do the content, every editing, converting them to PDF, then editing and all, loading in SharePoints, integrating into OneDrive, or pulling in documents from, say, repositories like Dynamic or SharePoint, or even Teams, integration with Teams. Everything works absolutely seamlessly, as you saw in the example before, right? Another great improvement and a very good piece of update for our Indian customers. Government of India, obviously, as per the Information Technology Act, recognize e-signatures, right? And Aadhaar has become a preferred or a de facto standard now, most commonly applied for authentication. So while Adobe Sign supports OTP authentication and all, if somebody wants a two-factor authentication, we are really pleased to say that it's also been certified by Aadhaar, and Aadhaar authentication has got integrated with Adobe Sign. So that's another feather for customers who really want to be sure that yes, they're really going the right authenticated path and they're comfortable, and Aadhaar authentication is now available along with Adobe Sign. So just to put it all together again, Adobe Document Cloud, one of the most trusted, secure ecosystem, and complies to all requirements for any standards, India, overseas, anywhere. So once more, by bringing all our products together, built upon our underlying layer of Adobe Sensei as the ML and AI technology, which is continuously helping us improve and interact better with our users, we are empowering people to create, transforming how businesses compete, and I think that's really a great message to take to your customers. Having seen what Adobe is about, what are we bringing to a customer, what's in it for you? Everything you can think of that you would want to build your business with and grow your business with, Adobe really gives you. We are, like we said, we are the cusp of that crossroads of mega trends. Our growth is still only going to grow more and more and more. And our partners really have the opportunity to really coming on board and making the most for themselves. So you can join the APC community. APC is the Adobe Partner Connection. If you're not already there, we have about 300 plus partners that regularly transact with us across the Indian subcontinent. We have space for more. We don't prevent anybody coming in, but this is how well you do. You keep graduating to a partner tiers, which are certified gold and platinum being the top of the tier, where you get the best of advantages and benefits for yourself. Once you're in the program, obviously there are enough resources, help available, so you can specialize, differentiate yourself in front of customers. And as you reach the higher and higher tiers, you get a chance to participate with Adobe in GTM planning. There are funding for you, there are incentives, and obviously you build a recurring business, just being a cloud business. More than that, Adobe really invests in you, one, by creating one of the best go-to websites for partners, which is Consumer Business Connection, CB Connection at adobe.com, right? Just type in CB Connection, will take you right there. Everything updated is available there. So if you don't want to talk to anybody in Adobe, you don't need to, everything's available to you. There's newsletters and everything to keep you updated, all about it. What is going in the market, what's there available to you. So with that, we talked about Adobe is good to do business with. I think we get guided by the Adobe values of being genuine, exceptional, innovative, and involved. I think it is the first and the last that really talks to us. Let's be genuine, let's stay involved, and let's build a great business together. Have a great day. Thank you.